almost the same market, because first 2 quarters were good, but third quarter we have seen a little dip or less inquiries, we can say, in the second and some part of the third quarter. And but now for last 1 month or 1 or 2 months, we can say that we have received good number of inquiries. So what we see that half of this quarter and the next quarter should be better. So overall, if we compare, what we feel that the numbers should remain the same what it was last year, let's say. Last year if it was a market of, let's say, 550 cranes. So this year also it should be around 550, 600 cranes, many competitors. But still we feel the same, that the specialized projects, when we are talking about the heavy capacity cranes, usually the regular model is 5 ton and 6 ton, where there is a little competition, we can say. But when we go above 10 ton and above capacity cranes, then it's same what we are talking about, that 1 or 2 multinational companies, they are the preferred options for the customers. So that market segment is growing, and in last 2 years if we talk about, then we have done the best in that. So we can say that in that segment we have achieved almost 60% market share, 10 ton and above capacity. Definitely the volume in real estate has dipped a little, because the bookings of the flats are not happening what it was happening 2 years back or maybe last year. But still we feel that some of the corporate customers, some of the big customers, they have their future plans, and in that plans now they are adopting the latest technology, where they understand that the market will never remain the same. It is going to improve, definitely. It might take some time, let's say 6 months, 1 year or 2 years, but now they are also getting equipped, that when the market is there, so they can go for the fast production, like the construction. So that way they are coming into with the new technology of precast and tunnel foam work. So that is a new thing which has entered, let's say 2 years back only. But now that concept is becoming more and more familiar to the people, so that they are getting ready for that. So in that, we in that segment we get the benefit that even the market is not good, but they have their future plans, and we gel with their future plans. So our equipment has a place there. And as Zoomlion took over Jost also of Germany few years back, so that has given us an advantage and the edge, as Jost was a old German company for the design and this thing. So that team has helped us to develop more and more variety of tower cranes. And what benefit we have got, that such capacity cranes are not manufactured in India, and they has to get imported either from European countries or from, let's say, China. So being our parent company in China, and technology wise they were already equipped, and then they could give us offer us the best quality of the cranes and the latest cranes also, where we can save a lot of transportation, different models according to the requirement of the customer. Till date, now Zoomlion presence in India is about 10 years now, and we have never met with an accident. So this is what one I can say, that in numbers, even if we talk about, then we are the second largest in population in numbers in India, and still fortunately we have never come across with such thing, because at the time of the production itself, we manufacture such a product which is by using the best parts available in the country or abroad, and especially regarding the safety. So this is what it is. We can say that is our strength, and we get the orders from our customers because they have confidence on us, and we get the regular business from them. Yeah, JV is doing very good. As of now, we can see that now almost we have started. We started production 2 years back, and it's going well. Like, we have future plans for the expansion of the factory, but for that we feel that the number should increase, because without increasing the numbers are not increased, then for a bigger plant or with the bigger investment, we cannot justify our expenses. We all know that it's a renowned name for last so many years and a preferred supplier for all corporate companies in India, the top companies we can say. So similarly, that thing has benefited both the partners, Zoomlion also and Electromech also. And Zoomlion standards Electromech could match easily because they themselves were at the same level of understanding. See, our numbers are increasing, and I was talking about if we say that we are the second in number. So going up to top will take a few more years, because according to the market, they are also doing their numbers and we are also doing our numbers. So this is a process, because maybe we are 10 years old in the market and they were from 25 years. So they have also done a very good job, and for last so many years they also have their good customer base. So similarly, we are doing our best, whatever is required to get the maximum market share. This is what I can say, that in coming years we should reach their level or we should surpass them.